Welcome back to Technical Tunes. Guys, today I am going to show you some fabulous tricks of WhatsApp. With the increasing demand of digital media due to COVID-19 conditions, and WhatsApp is facing big competition from the competitors, and in the same way, due to ban of Chinese apps like TikTok in so many countries, so many new media groups are emerging. So WhatsApp is also like to create some more interesting features to its app. So recently WhatsApp has released some new features to it. So I am going to show you that's new features. So first of all, you go to your mobile and open the WhatsApp. Then first, guys, I am going to tell you that the WhatsApp should be of latest version. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, please update from the Play Store. So to know the version of WhatsApp, let us check the WhatsApp version. How to check that one, I am showing you. So go to your WhatsApp and then go to settings, and then go to your help. Then in the app info, it is there. You click that one. You can look here. This version is 2.20194.16. So that should be there. Otherwise, you go and update. Now let us know how to use this trick. When you want to send someone, you open that chart, and there is an icon is there. You open, and you will get this type of stickers. But to get the latest stickers, here in the down there are some options. You click GIF, means you will get GIFs. At the same time, to download these new type of tricks, that means features, you have to go to the plus symbol. It is looking here, plus symbol on the right side. Click that one, and you will get here all stickers. You see so many new features are there. Together at home, Rilakona, Rico, Sweet Life, Playful, and these are so many types are there. I am going to one sticker details, Rilakuma. If you want all these, you download this one. Otherwise, you want only one or two, means you play that one, and also you can download that one. So it is downloading. So you see so many are there. If you tap one sticker, it will also download. Otherwise, you can download entire sticker pack also. It's totally free. And here you see so many I have downloaded, so many stickers. So if you go and some more, you see sticker Chummy Chum Chums. This is a very nice feature. Good stickers are there in this pack. I like this sticker pack. You can also download it. Okay, you see how beautiful these are there. So to express our feelings, sometimes these pictures or stickers are more than words. So you can share your feelings like this stickers. It's very interesting. Anyone can use very easily. Now you see how beautiful these are stickers. So here so many are there. You can download whatever you like. You see another one is there, bright days. This is also very interesting sticker pack. You can download it. Just I'm doing one. Okay, you see this one, very nice. You can choose any one. You see guys how nice it is. You can send like this stickers to your friends and surprise them. Now let us go back to WhatsApp chat and how to send it. You see here, when you download it, this will appear here. You can choose anyone to send them. It's very simple, you know this one. Just choose any sticker and click send. That's all. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and share it to get more this type of tricks.